G'day there, YouTubers. So, it's another freezing cold Saturday, and, well, something made its way home. It looks like the cats already found their new, comfy spot. Didn't take them long. I literally just parked. They're doing their inspection. But what I have here today is a Bolens large frame tractor. I don't know if it's an 1886 or, you know, if it was a 1477 or... I have no idea. All I know is that this engine has one cylinder that's good and one that's dead. This looks like it was put in, possibly. It looks like this was opened up for it. And, yeah, it was his parts. But I think I got enough here that I could put it back together and fix this one up. It came with a huge mower deck. I think it was like a 62-inch or something. And it's a beast. It came with also this snow plow, which has a hydraulic angle. I'm sorry guys, someone's just texting the hell out of me right now. It also came with this tiller drag thing, the lawnmower deck, and the gas tank, some extra mounts and pieces. So I think I did alright, pretty good haul. Oh, and the tire chains too, for with the snow plow. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this thing unloaded before it gets too dark here and put this into the shed and start tinkering on it, and I might get that engine out, make space for the next engine that's going in, whether it be a Kohler twin or a little 3-cylinder diesel of sorts that I'm not sure, but I might be able to get one of those and source a little 3-cylinder diesel. And if that's the case, this would make a pretty cool little tractor. It's much bigger than any of my other Bolens tube frames. So, yeah, either way, this is just a short little, you know, brief introduction to the latest tractor that followed me home today. So, yeah, till the next time there, guys, have a good one and stay safe. I'll keep you guys posted as to progress and when I get everything unloaded and, you know, a better idea of what we're looking at here, because that lawnmower deck it's a big one. It goes and touches the front of the box and almost comes out to where the tailgate is here. So, yeah, till the next time, guys, have a good one and stay safe. Take care. Thanks for watching.